Hi everyone, today I'm with the exciting unboxing and here I have Rokid Max 2 and Rokid Station 2 with me, and it has been released recently and I'm really excited to see what's inside and its features. So without any delay, let's get unboxing. As you can see, we have like two boxes here, and this whole thing is called like Rokid AR Lite. And here you have the headset, and here you have it's a Rokid station, so you can connect the headset to the station. It's like a small phone with a small like screen, touch screen. And I'm not really sure, I have to check it like how it look like. So first let's open the Rokid station 2. So in the as the box design, generally speaking, it's really nice and it has this blackish red and purple kind of look. And here I'm gonna open up the Rokid station first. So you have a small box here, so first I'm gonna take the station out, and here as you can see it's a small, like relatively smaller than a phone size. And here it has like a good finish, and if I were to like switch it on, I don't think if it has power or not. Oh, it has power. And here I can't see any screen here, so I think it's only a touch screen, but it doesn't have any LED screen here, and it shows it has switched on. So let's see what else we have here. And here we have small cable to charge the, I think to charge the station. No, not really. It's like a double type C cable. Let's see what we have here. Oh, we have a user manual, and it's in English, and it also have like a Chinese translation and Japanese. So I also have a small cover. It's like a transparent cover for the station. Okay, let's take out the Rokid Max 2, the AR headset itself. I'm gonna open it up and see what we have inside. So here you have some information in the box. Let me first see what's here. And here it seems like they have some QR codes to install the Rokid AR app. And here you have a cable, probably for the connection to the headset and the station. Let's open up the headset itself and see how it looks like. So it's a black color headset, and material is really good, and I like this look, like, you know, black tint. It's really looking good. Actually, it's the cover. I can remove it. And if I take it out, and the glass is like really good, and the material itself is really hardy and it's really good. It's very well made. And here there are some adjusters here to adjust your FOV, I think the distance between your eyes, not FOV. So here you have some buttons, probably for changing the volume. And here you have speakers, and here you have the USB Type-C connectivity here. So generally speaking, the headset itself looks nice and it's very well made, and I like this black shading and the black material, so seems really decent. And for the nose pad, we also have another additional nose pad here, and we can use it to change it depending on your your nose. So here I can take it off and switch it to the other one they have provided. So what else have in the boxes? I can just take off this. I think I can take it off. I can take off this box. I mean, for the casing for the headset, it's a little bit bigger, and the material is like leathery material. And here you have some other space to put maybe your cable. Let me check out the cable and see how it looks like. Let me check what else inside the box. So here you have some opening here. Let me see what inside. You have a small cloth to clean the headset, and the material itself is a little bit decent, and the user manual as well. It's saying like what you get when you buy this product and what's it's included. As for the station, you can see there are like two connectivities and Type-C inputs, and here it seems like they have an input for the power, and here yeah, it indicates that here it's for the connection for the headset. So as you can see, this is the content that included inside the Rokid Air Lite package that included the Rokid Max 2 and Rokid Station 2. So you can see the content I showed you in the unboxing, and I'm really eager to try out the headset and see the quality and the performance. So thank you for checking out my video and also my other videos about products, unboxing, etc, etc. So I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.